Oh my goodness. Look, he gave us a good kid discount. How sweet is that?
Very sweet.
Did you see the picture on his desk? His son is cute. Or is he not your type? You never talk to me about these things. And I wish you would.
Well, I wasn't really planning on telling you this in a car dealership. But I don't really like boys.
Oh, I was a late bloomer too. Really. It wasn't until I met your father.
No, Mom, I mean... I like girls.
Oh. Oh. You know, girls are nicer anyway. And I'd much rather have a daughter-in-law than a son-in-law.
Well, I'm not sure about that. And you're thinking way too far ahead. But thank you.
My heart, I just want you to be happy. Now, is there someone special?
Really? Wasn't this enough confiding for one day?
I will never be satisfied.
Maybe. There's this one girl, but she has some stuff to figure out.
Boys or girls, it doesn't matter. But don't let anyone give you less than what you deserve. You're so kind, Leyla. You deserve kindness in return. Love you.